Hello everyone!
Welcome back to City Simple DIY.
Since the 4th of July is just around the corner, today's video will cover a simple DIY project that can be incorporated as part of your 4th of July decorations. This wall decor project requires very few supplies and can be done by following the simple steps in this video. So let's jump into the project. These are the materials that you will need. Glue gun, rope, scissors, pen, 2 circular frames, transparent stickers, cardboard, paint brushes, palette, paint. You can check the description of this video for links to some of the needed supplies. These 2 circular frames are actually mirror frames. I had removed the mirrors from the frames and used them for a project in a past video. Today I'll be using the frames. Take the cardboard and use the frame to trace a circle with the pen. Cut out the circle. This circular cardboard will go inside the frame. Then paint the frame. Here comes my little assistant to demonstrate the painting part. We chose the beige color. Leave the frames outside to dry for 3 minutes or so. Next, glue rope around the frames using a glue gun. We used jute rope for the first frame and the nautical rope for the second frame. Oops, my little assistant struggles to help untangle the nautical rope. Once done decorating the frames with the rope, glue the circular cardboard pieces that we cut earlier to the back of the frames using a glue gun. Decorate the cardboard surface within the frames with the transparent stickers. As a finishing touch, my little assistant wants to add pearl stickers to enhance the look. Finally, we can write the 4th of July inside to commemorate the occasion. After the celebration is over, we can also display as is or write other messages. Yes, this is a simple and elegant wall decor piece, perfect for any occasion. Please be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more of City's simple DIY projects and ideas.
Thank you for watching.